At this time, we're going to review some things for math. So one, I want you to know that what I'm going to use right now, I'm going to have a piece of paper, a blank piece of paper. Actually, it's a paper, I've already did my morning work on one side. I'm just going to use the other side so I don't waste the paper. I'm also going to have a writing utensil. So this is going to help me for my IXL work. Now, IXL is on the computer. Why do I need a paper and pen? Well, actually, the reason why you need it is so that you can work smart and get the answer right the first time. Especially as you get older in math, smart mathematician, wise mathematicians, they actually write down their work. They write down all the steps that they do and they check their work so that they get it right. Now, maybe sometimes you do the problems, maybe you get it right without even using paper. That's great. But that isn't always the case. And actually, you need to get in good habits of writing down stuff and checking your work. Because as you keep getting older, guess what? The work is going to slowly get harder. And if you don't learn now to write down your work and to check it, you're going to find later in life when you're doing math and some other things that sometimes you just make silly mistakes. So actually, it's a wise idea now to write down and check your work. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen for an IXL lesson. Okay, so here's the first one. What is the perimeter of this shape? Paper. This is what I'm going to write. I'm going to write down. All right, 3 yard, 2 yard, 4 yard. Okay, and because it's perimeter, I'm just adding it all together. So I wrote 3 plus 2 plus 4. All right, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9 yards. Okay, and let me just put in the number 9 and submit. Yay! All right, okay. So now this might seem easier, right? It might be easier. But we are trying to get in good habits because remember, as you get older, you're going to get harder problems. So again, I'd write down 2 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 2 inches, add all that together. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 inches. All right, let's write in the number 10, submit. Great, awesome. Woo, okay, this has a little bit more sides. Whoa, all right. Okay, so again, let me write this down. This says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna have 5 things I'm adding together. Wow, okay, so I'm just gonna make sure, because what if I accidentally forget to put down one of these? I could do that. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus, okay. So it's all the same, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Okay, now I'm gonna add it all together. So 4 plus 4, all right, that's 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, that's 20 centimeters. Okay, so I can use this. As I added up some parts, I just crossed it out and wrote what it was. Like 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. No, it's kind of hard to see. All right, let's try 20. But you know what else I could have done? Because all of these are the same. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times all of these are 4 is 20 centimeters. Great. Okay, now this is not the same, right? So again, I can write down 10 feet plus 6 feet plus 8 feet. All right, so I can write that down. I looked backwards to you. That's okay. 10 plus 6, that's 16. 16 plus 8 is 24 feet. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, super. Hey, another one of these. All right, let's try. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-sided figure, which is a hexagon. Hexagon. 6 times 3 is? Let's see. Yeah, we are pretty awesome. Okay, four-sided figure. What type of shape is this? Do, 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 do. Okay, we're gonna actually stop here. Okay, so one of the reasons we write down is because sometimes, woo, these are more numbers, right? So we want to make sure we write it down and check our work. When we write it down, it helps us to make sure like that we're not missing anything. So I just start with one side, 2 meters. I'm gonna start at the top, 8 meters. 4 meters, 4 meters, 2 meters, 4 meters. Okay, so just add all this together. 2 plus 8, 10 meters. 10 plus 4, 14 meters. 14 plus 4, 18 meters. 18 plus 2, 20 meters. 20 plus 4, 24 meters. All right, let's see. 24. Yeah, wonderful. Okay. When we were working over here, this was definitely easier, right? But I told you, use paper and just do it, right? Because it helps you to make sure you're adding it correctly and not missing a number. But look, this is actually a lot harder because you have more sides and more numbers you're adding. That's why I really encourage you to write it down. Write it down and check your work. Write it down and check your work when it's easier, and that way when it gets a little bit harder, hey, you already know what to do. So again, when you're doing this IXL work, should you just be doing it on the computer only? No, 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 no. Mickey Mouse says make sure that you have paper and something to write with to do this, okay? They don't have Minnie Mouse pens or Mickey Mouse pens to do their work. Any kind of pen or pencil will be fine. All right, you're going back, Mickey. So, other thing we're going to look at is this one. Let's look at this together. It's a word problem. Each side of a square. Ooh, a square. You know what? I got my paper and pen. I'm going to draw a square. Each side of a square cabin is 49 feet long. Okay, I'm going to write 49. Ooh, this looks more like a rectangle, but that's okay. We know squares have equal number of sides. Okay, so this is actually more of a rectangle shape. It really should be square, but each side is 49 feet. What is the cabin's perimeter? Woohoo, okay. This is when we want our paper and pencil. All right, so now this is what you can do. Because it's a square and each side is the same, you have two options. You could add 49 plus 49 plus 49 plus 49. Okay, or you could 49 times 4. Wow, 49 times 4. 9 times 4, 36. 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 196. Let's see, 196 feet. Yeah, I'm excellent. Woohoo! Okay. A rectangular garage. Okay, now draw a rectangle. I'm going to really make sure I draw a rectangle. There, that's definitely a rectangle. A rectangular garage, that's where you park a car, is 12 meters long. Okay, so on the long part, I'm going to write 12 meters. Okay, right, and so rectangle, right, opposite sides are the same length, and they're even parallel, but 12 and 12. And 10 meters wide, so the short side is going to be 10 meters. Okay, 10 meters. Woo. What is its perimeter? Okay, you have two options. Option number 1, you add 12 plus 12 plus 10 plus 10. That should be your answer. Option 2, 12 times 2 plus 10 times 2. Okay, so when I do that, 12 times 2, 24. 10 times 2, 20. 24 plus 20 is da 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 44. All right, let's see, is this right? Yes! All right. Okay, super. All right, so again, use that paper and pencil. A square. Okay, a square. I'm going to try to draw a better square. A square patch of grass has sides that are 25 meters long. Okay, 25 meters, 25 meters, 25 meters, 25 meters. Okay. What is the patch's perimeter? Again, 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. Option number 1. Option number 2 is 25 times 4. Times 4. Don't share your answer aloud yet. I'm still working it out. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 2. Woo! Did you guys get that? 100. Okay, let's see. Yes, we did it. Okay. I'm running out of paper on my paper. We're running out of space on my paper. A rectangular bakery. Ooh, I love bakeries. I love to get cookies from bakeries. Is 71 feet long. Okay, wait, rectangle. Okay, I drew my rectangle. 71 feet long. Okay, 71 feet top, 71 feet bottom, 46 feet wide, 46 feet, 46 feet. Okay. Wah. What is its perimeter? Okay, again, option 1, 71 plus 71 plus 46 plus 46. Option 2, 71 times 2. I'm out of space. Okay, 71 times 2. 1 times 2, 2. 7 times 2, 14. Plus, what's 46 times 2? Okay, 46 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Okay, so 142 plus 92. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. Regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 234 feet. Wow. Okay, I had to use that top little space because I ran out. All right, let's try this. 234 feet. Yes, we did it. Okay, so hopefully when you're doing your IXL, you're doing the math, you have a piece of paper to write on. And you're writing your stuff out and you're checking it. Remember, this was easy here, but you really need to be in better habits of writing your work out and checking it. This was easier, but it can still benefit you to write it and to check it. And that way, once you get to the a little bit harder stuff, you are better prepared to get the answer right because you're in the habit of writing it down and checking it to make sure it's correct. That is all I'm going to share with you today for math. You're going to be taking a math quiz today as well later. I want to see, do you know the area? Can you figure out the area? Also, can you figure out perimeter? I'm going to see what you know. That way we can better prepare tomorrow for what you need help with.